Radio City Center Stage.
तो रेडियो सिटी पर सेंटर स्टेज में यूजुअली व्हेन आई एम ऑन अ वीडियो, मेरा नाम है दिव्या, तो मेरे साथ एक खास मेहमान आते हैं एंड टुडे मुझे लगता है ये इंटरव्यू हर उस इंसान को देखना चाहिए जिसका थोड़ा सा भी कॉन्फिडेंस लाइफ में कभी हिला हो, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन इज मच मोर देन व्हाट आई कैन एक्चुअली टेल यू राइट नाउ अबाउट. मेरे साथ डॉक्टर अरविंद पोशवाल, डायरेक्टर एस क्लिनिक. सर नमस्कार, वेलकम टू रेडियो सिटी.
नमस्ते, बहुत खुशी हुई आपसे मिलके और आपके रेडियो पे बोल के. वैसे तो मैं सुनता ही रहता था आपका प्रोग्राम्स. बताइए क्या कह सकते हैं.
सर देखिए, बातें बहुत सारी हैं. यू नो, डॉक्टर एस क्लिनिक इज ऑल अबाउट द बेस्ट हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. उसके बारे में सारी बातचीत करनी है. बट सबसे पहले यू नो दिस मूच, क्योंकि I don't get to talk about this often on the show. I am really keen to know, and I know कि आपका आर्मी बैकग्राउंड है and how important mooch is. But sir, how do you maintain it? Like कितनी मेंटेनेंस जाती है इन बालों में?
मैं बताता हूँ. अभी करीबन 4 साल पहले मिस्टर इंडिया के कॉन्टेस्ट में मैं जज था.
अच्छा.
तो द पर्सन हु वन इट, जो मॉडलिंग, नॉट बॉडी बिल्डर, मिस्टर इंडिया, तो ही हैड हेयर व्हिच वर दिस लॉन्ग.
राइट.
दैट स्टार्टेड मी थिंकिंग कि अगर हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट, मेरा बाल ही मेरी सबसे बड़ी पहचान है और उसमें सबसे मुश्किल होता है मूंछ उगाना. और एक थर्ड जनरेशन आर्मी ऑफिसर होते हुए मूंछ की बहुत अहमियत होती है.
Yes.
डेफिनेटली इसको बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. इट्स नॉट एज इजी एज ग्रूमिंग द हेड हेयर. इसका पूरा देखरेख अलग है. अगर कोई आपका दर्शक चाहे कि इसको कैसे ज्यादा ध्यान दें तो मैं पूरा बता दूंगा.
वाओ, आई मीन सीरियसली, यू नो, मुझे लगता है कि डॉक्टर एस क्लिनिक से आप इसलिए भी कनेक्ट कीजिए क्योंकि सर आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं. एंड लाइक यू सेड, इसकी मेंटेनेंस इन बालों से ज्यादा है सर.
हाँ जी, इनकी मेंटेनेंस, इनका स्टाइलिंग इज अ एवरीडे अफेयर. You don't want to let run jungly all over your face.
Absolutely. I think and for a lot of women, I don't know if you interact, but मैं शो पे भी अक्सर पूछती हूँ, men with mustache or men without mustache. Trust me, I think 99.9% women say men with mustache, they look like really nice. So thank you for.
There is a story behind this. There is a story behind this. आप लोगों को शायद मालूम ना हो, आर्मी में मूंछ अलाउंस मिलता है. एटलीस्ट कुछ सालों पहले तक मिलता था. जो लोग मूंछ उगाए उनको स्पेशल उस पे तेल लगाने का, उस पे प्रोडक्ट्स लगाने का, दे गिव सेपरेट अलाउंस. एंड व्हेन द ब्रिटिशर्स केम, दे वर क्लीन शेवन. सो द इंडियन ट्रूप्स ऑलवेज थॉट दैट ही इज नॉट मैन इनफ टू लीड अस. Therefore the British starting maintaining those heavy mustaches, walrus mustache and all those. So it definitely has a big thing in the history as well as in the valor of our nation. Okay.
Sir, आप बहुत, I mean, I think this is one story and one trivia जो मैं आगे बहुत लोगों के साथ share करूंगी and I will really flaunt it as well. But आप बहुत पढ़ते होगे sir. मतलब, you know, before I ask about your work, I really want to know, as a leader, as a director, how do you keep yourself motivated and how do you motivate your team?
See, regarding motivation, see, when I came from army and I started my work, and even today, what I do is, you are right, मैं बहुत पढ़ता हूँ. कोई लेटेस्ट एडवांस आ जाए, मुझे पढ़ना है. I have to know it in and out.
Right.
Even today भी मैं आज भी पढ़ रहा था इसी चीज का. So there is no limitation. Anything which is good for her, which is proven, not just ऐसे ही अम्बल जम्बल कुछ भी कर दें. It has to be proven. Then I do offer it to my patients in India. Whether it is SMP, which came almost 5 to 10 years ago, is very popular in USA, almost unknown in India. So we introduce all the latest things, and I take the knowledge from our country and give it to the doctors in US and Europe also, like a specific SLS-free detox regime for hair and skin, which without medicines reduces the hair fall considerably within 2 months. I'll talk about this later on. I know you are getting curious.
Yeah, I am, because hair fall is something everybody would be like, please tell me more. But sir,
and if I say that people lose more hair in pandemic, and I'll prove it by studies why it is true.
And that's a fact. I have lived it. Sir, I don't know if you know it, but tomorrow is technically my official joining at work. I was going through COVID all this while, and I have had some really bad hair fall. And I really had to get my hair chopped because मुझे ऐसा लगता था मेरे आधे बाल जा चुके हैं. पिछले 1 महीने में. Sir, 3 generation army family and आप खुद AFMC से हैं. How was like this shift happened?
See, my grandfather fought in World War I in Italy. He got a
Wow.
King's George Medal. Then my father, even my father-in-law, they were both in army. They fought in 1971 war. So naturally, I wanted to get into army, no matter what. I cleared
Yeah.
AFMC. That was a God-given thing. Both the things joined together, army as well as medical profession.
Medical. Yes.
And as you know, all young people, when they want to join army, out of nationalism, they want to do something. But
Right.
unfortunately or fortunately, at that time, between 1990 to 96, there was no war.
Yes. Thank
Right?
you.
Very
Yes.
good thing that there was no war, but I had to spend that time doing nothing, maybe doing small talks. I was probably not cut out for it. So I
Right.
said, let me go. Two things have shaped my life. One, since childhood, I had a fondness. I liked art. I like to do painting. So I like to see people, how they are, proportions, everything. I used to see that, okay, all the idols which they make in the temples, they are out of proportion. The head is so huge and the body
Yes.
is so small. Whereas the same thing when I see in Michelangelo's work, there is a sense of proportion.
Absolutely.
Even the statue of David, if you see, everything is made in a proper proportion. You go down to the veins, you see your own veins and you see the statue, it is there. So
Right.
when I came out of army, that was in 1996-97. That time, hair transplant was in its real infancy. People used to put plugs of hair, guchha lagate the. Plugs of hair on hair, and it used to be, means, imagine for a man, if he eats a lot, he'll get heart disease. Then it's his fault. If he eats a lot of sugar, he may get diabetes. Again, it's his fault. But why does he lose hair? It's not his fault.
Absolutely.
There's something, like a man maybe have a 6 packs, everything. He's now 20, looking for girlfriends, 22, and now suddenly all hair gone. No girlfriend. And that's the truth. So I tried to find a solution for that at that time. I saw that hair can be transplanted, but why not make it look absolutely natural? Most of the people do not know that most advances in recent history occurred in the last 15 years in the field of hair transplant. And there were about 5 to 6 doctors in the world who actually shaped this science or this subspecialty, whatever you may call it. Like I personally, I invented the beard hair to scalp transplant. Before that, people used to come to me, those who had a lot of hair fall, and used to say, all my body is filled with hair, only they are at the wrong place. Can you not put them where I want them? Right. So that got me thinking. Right. Then we started body hair to scalp transplants, and they worked. I published this in Indian Journal of Dermatology also. Remember, publication in a medical journal is a much bigger deal than publication advertising in a newspaper.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely, sir.
So the reason I did was because there is a lot of, intellectual property theft. Someone else saying that, okay, I did it first.
Absolutely.
So having a proven study did this. And it also increased because there used to be discussion forums. I am sure you understand them. In discussion forums, a lot of patients used to put their pictures from around the world. A patient is resident in California. He's talking with me in front of everyone. So it's not hidden. I can't just say anything to him that, okay, right, how many hair I need, which technique should I go for? And then he gets it done. Then he puts the photographs out there in public. Okay, this is what this doctor did to me. So this public participation in last 15 years shaped this subspecialty of hair transplant. Now we are not like in older times where a person could only get a bit of hair transplant. Now we say, okay, get the hairline you want. Of course, barring Shah Rukh Khan. I'm
Yeah.
not going to give Shah Rukh Khan's hairline, but definitely Tom Cruise is game enough. Okay. So now that slowly has led to the current field status.
Long story, sir. I think there's been a lot of research that you've done, और मुझे लगता है ये ना एक ऐसी स्टडी है जिसमें अगर आपको खुद को रुचि नहीं होगी और you won't have your own personal motivation, आप काम कर भी नहीं पाओगे. It's like one of those lines. So okay, so मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ, इतने लोगों से आप मिलते हो, and we spoke about confidence की girlfriend's gone. बहुत heartbroken लोग आते होंगे ना आपके पास when they lose hair, because I have seen it in my cousins, I've seen it in my friends. कि confidence and myself also, अगर बाल गिरते हैं हमारा confidence एकदम टूट जाता है. So for those who are going through balding and that process, बहुत painful होता होगा. The kind of people you meet, how do you counsel them? How do you handle it?
See, the first sentence I always tell patients is that I do not choose. I don't let anyone become my patient. I choose my patients. Hair transplant is something more permanent than marriage.
Absolutely.
I can
Yes.
transplant hair in this place and you will not get rid of them. You can
Yes.
get divorce in a marriage if you don't like the spouse, you cannot get away. So the first thing, if a person is coming for a hair transplant and he is young, he has to know that, okay, I may lose more hair. If I lose more hair, I will need to go for more transplants.
Right.
That is first thing.
Right.
Second, does the person have enough hair? Now, अभी कभी लोग आते हैं, मुश्किल से 25 बाल होता है दाढ़ी में, उसी जगह दूसरा आते पूरा भरा होता है. तो मैं वही बताता हूँ, never lose these hair off. Whatever you have on body or beard is your reserve supply in case nature does something that you become totally bald, like some of our famous actors, then we will have some hair to put, because we have not succeeded in person-to-person transplant.
Right.
Now, when the people come, there's always an emotional attachment. They say, okay, should we get it done? I always say that this is not heart disease where the doctor says whether you have to get it done or not. But this is definitely an emotional problem where the patient has to decide for himself.
Yes.
Should I get it done now when I am 22, or should I wait till 35 as some doctor is saying? By that time, half my life will be gone. All the important things for which I need hair is right now. However, there is a word of caution, which sometimes people do not know. Tell me, who is a hair transplant specialist? And I'll tell you, government regulations in India, in US, and in Europe permit any doctor to wake up one fine day and put a board outside his clinic and say that I am a hair transplant doctor. And he's legally allowed to do without any training in the field. Now there are scores and hundreds of doctors, clinics coming up.
Yes.
All they have learned from is YouTube. You cannot earn, means you can learn biryani kaise banani hai from YouTube.
Absolutely.
You cannot learn an operation, and you cannot definitely learn an art. But that is the reason I'm more sorry not for people who lose hair. I feel more sorry for those that go to a wrong place and get their donor damaged. Because once they take out hair from this place and nothing grows in this place, the person cannot, he may be the richest man on earth. He has lost his donor. He cannot buy someone else's donor. It's gone. So they are the really emotionally crippled people because they can't hide their face now.
Yes.
ऐसे टेढ़ा टेढ़ा करके कई जगह बाल लगाए हुए देखे आपने. अगर हमारा रिपेयर गैलरी देखा है, if you have seen the repair gallery, does any doctor in any surgery have a repair gallery? No. I have a repair gallery because some doctors somewhere in the world decided one fine day that he will enter this field. And without training, he just did something. So those are the patients to whom I want to say through your program, please do not lose heart. Whatever you may have gone through, it may have been painful, it may be disfiguring. That is not true hair transplant. We can do corrective surgery for you, make you look presentable again.
Right.
It is a tough decision for them to trust a doctor again once they have gone through a bad one.
Absolutely. Right?
So I hope they listen through your program to me and I am able to help them also.
I think it is very important, sir, and very well said, because actually हम लोग, मुझे नहीं पता कि कोई जब जाता है हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए वो इतनी रिसर्च करते हैं कि नहीं, but it is so important because after all आपका चेहरा है, बिना रिसर्च के do not just get into something. Sir, and on that note, I really would want to know कि skilled doctors की कितनी कमी होगी ना हमारे देश में, especially when it comes to hair transplant. And can we really do something about it? क्योंकि balding की problem तो बहुत बढ़ रही है, और ये बात सच है. Whether it's a lifestyle disorder.
Yes. See, not through the government, I am trying to skill up India, right? I am trying because there are so many doctors. You just open up the net, you'll find them almost everyone. They are mushrooming, and
Yep.
so many bad cases which I see.
Yep.
So what do I do in this case? आपने वो कहानी तो सुनी होगी एकलव्य और द्रोणाचार्य की.
Yes.
तो अब सब एकलव्य बने हैं. यूट्यूब से देख के सोचते हैं हम अर्जुन बन जाएंगे. तो अब इतना सारा पेशेंट्स का जब गलत हुआ, so what I have decided and what I have started is a free online hair transplant training course.
Wow.
So that doctors who want to enter this field learn it correctly, know which are the correct instruments, how I do it, see how it is done. I will show them surgeries, live surgeries under which they can see in their own home. When students can give their exams, doctors can give their exams online, why can't they learn this?
Absolutely.
So, because people don't know what they do not know.
Yes.
So they need to go through at least the free course, understand it. And then if they want, they realize, okay, hair transplant is not just a money earning thing. It is something you have to have passion for. Sometimes I have to spend 4 days with a single patient, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., just working on his head. So it's that much. If you just want to earn money, become a surgeon. You remove 6 gallbladders in a single day, you'll earn more than a hair transplant. But if you want to come in a hair transplant, do not spoil people's life. Learn it correctly. Ask me, I'll teach you.
सर कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे लोग जो देख रहे हैं उनके मन में होंगे, फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर कंसीडरिंग गोइंग फॉर अ हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट and probably looking at Dr. A's clinic again. So is it cost effective, the surgery, or can be made more cost effective?
I'll tell you, ऐसा मुझे कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट बता दीजिए, सर्जिकल और मेडिकल, जिसमें के आप एक दिन के लिए ऑपरेशन टेबल पे लेटेंगे और जिंदगी भर रिजल्ट दिखेगा. यानी जिंदगी भर आपके बाल उगते रहेंगे, आप उन्हें कटवाओ, शेव करो. It's like I telling someone who is a fat person, okay, lie down for 6 hours, I'll give you 6 pack abs and you don't have to worry at all through life. Paranthe khao, pizza khao, kuch nahi hoga. So that is what we can give. पुरानी कहावतें हुआ करती थी कि गंजे के सर पे गंजे को कंघी बेचना. Now this is the generation who has this treatment available. और हम लोग इंडिया में we are doing it, offering it at a fraction of the cost जो बाहर है. But remember, जैसे मैंने कहा, bad doctors abound everywhere. And the proof, or while you are choosing the doctor, the proof is only in the results, not in the marketing.
Right.
See results. You would be happy to know that there is a site which is a consumer site, American site of hair loss, called hairsite.com. Any doctor in the world can put his results there. And we have been winning the maximum number of successful hair transplant results worldwide for 7 years in a row. India has been winning. That gold medal goes to India.
Wow.
Right? And in cricket terms, the next person is an American and he is getting follow-on. Means we have more than 700 documented online published results and he has just 300 something. Definitely something to be proud of.
Very, very
and
proud.
What I want is, through this training, there should be hair transplant clinics, good ones, in almost every district of India. We should become a hub of hair transplant. Right. We should earn money, give good results, and people everywhere they want to come, they should be coming to India for it.
They should. आई थिंक इंडिया वैसे भी, आई थिंक व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेडिकल फील्ड ओवरऑल भी, मैं तो हमेशा ही बोलती हूँ कि इंडिया हमेशा लीड ले लेता है. बट जब पैंडेमिक की आपने बात की थी, एंड आई वुड रियली वांट टू गो बैक टू दैट पॉइंट. हाउ इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन बीन, लाइक रियली वाज इट स्ट्रेस जिसने आपको, मतलब आपकी क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन रही है हेयर लॉस को लेकर?
Okay, I have written a book on this. It's called Skin Hair Detox. And on the
Right.
first page, I have bunked this theory about stress causing hair fall. अब बहुत कॉमनली आप सब लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे स्ट्रेस हो गया, लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर हो गया, इसलिए मेरा बाल गिर गया. तो मैं आपको बताऊं, पार्टीशन में जो लोग आए थे उससे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस आपको नहीं हुआ.
एब्सोल्युटली
नहीं.
सही बात
और वो सबका हेयर लॉस नहीं हुआ.
है. यस.
औरंगजेब और अशोका और महाराणा प्रताप तीनों के बाल थे. क्या आपको उनसे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस है? नहीं है. इट इज नॉट द स्ट्रेस विच इज कॉजिंग. स्ट्रेस कुछ हद तक करता है, आई एग्री, टिल अ लिमिटेड एक्सटेंट. सेकेंड इज जेनेटिक प्रीडिस्पोजिशन, क्या हमारे खानदान में है. लेकिन एक तीसरी चीज है जो 1970s से चेंज हुआ है. वी डिड रिसर्च ऑन दिस. बिफोर 1970 जो भी पैदा हुआ, यू रिमेम्बर, उनके बाल आप खुद बोलेंगे, आपकी दादी और नानी के बाल कैसे थे? लंबे थे, काले थे, देर से सफेद हुए. नाना दादा के बाल गिरे भी तो देर से गिरे. उस
Yes.
समय लोग 20 साल की उम्र में गंजे नहीं होते थे.
यस.
So genetically we are programmed to lose hair maybe at 40.
यस.
But what are you missing? कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ना कि उस जनरेशन के बाल थे, ठीक है, 40-45 तक, और आजकल नहीं है.
यस.
No, it's not just because you eat McDonald's or pizza or something.
राइट.
It is something which you don't even think about. It is whatever we apply on our skin. Anything which we apply on the skin is absorbed. इसीलिए पेन किलिंग बाम्स से एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है, तो पेन जाता है.
राइट.
So all the shampoos, all the soaps, all toothpaste, all shaving cream, anything which makes foam contains a harmful chemical. 1970 से पहले, before 1970, soaps were made at home. And there was just one soap. और एक ही soap से one used to take a head wash, hand wash, face wash, body wash. Now you
Yes.
have a slab containing a separate face wash, head wash, everything. So what happened? What happened was, earlier when you make a soap, what do you make it out of? You make
Natural.
it from lye, L-Y-E. That is sodium hydroxide, and you combine it with any oil, any fat. It may be animal or vegetable fat, and you get a soap. That is the basic soap. It is harmless. But in 1970s, the companies came up with SLS. Remember this thing, SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. It is a chemical which was added to all our things like shampoo and all. अगर आपको याद हो, when it, क्यों आपको नहीं याद होगा, you are too young for that. But when shampoos first came in the market, there was a lot of outcry कि इसी से बाल गिर रहा है, इसी से लोग गंजे हो रहे हैं जल्दी, और इसी से सफेद बाल गिर रहे हैं. But then people used to think that सिर्फ बूढ़े लोग बात करते हैं, वो वापस शिकाकाई, आंवला, रीठा लगाना चाहते हैं और हमारे बालों में तेल लगाना चाहते हैं. But now just compare their lifestyle and today's lifestyle, you can see it right in front of your eyes. Now, ये तो हमारे country का हुआ, but we have also been seeing research being done in USA advocating SLS-free products. There is actually a movement called No Shampoo Movement, advocated by many Hollywood celebrities also. I'll not take names, but it is called No Poo Movement. And famous actors, they have not used shampoo for the past 1 to 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's why I keep on reading up. Anyway, so we have to learn to read the ingredients on our shampoos and toothpaste and see whether any sulfates are there. So companies write them by different names. Sodium lauryl sulfate or SLS or just sulfates. Like I can help some people try to read and understand, but people have to learn to be literate themselves also. What should we use? What should we not use?
Yes.
So one big pillar about hair care is using SLS free products only. Now pandemic में मैंने बोला कि बाल गए हैं ज़्यादा. Now I'll put 2 and 2 together. Science says कि हमारा साबुन में, हमारा शैम्पू में SLS है. Our shampoo soap contain SLS. The
Yes.
more we rub them, the more of it gets absorbed in our body, reaches our liver, accumulates there, and causes endocrine problems and even cancer, which now we at a very young age. Earlier, people didn't used to get cancer at 30.
Right.
Anand movie बहुत बार बताया था.
Yes.
These all things are happening much more frequently, and that is a cause of this thing. The moment we can get these away, it will become all right. That is why you see many of the companies now coming with products which they claim are more natural. But they are not saying why the previous ones were bad.
Yes.
So my fight is not with them. My thing is for people that look at your own products and see how whether they are wrong or they are correct, and buy something which is good for you and your family. So 5 things like I said: soap, shampoo. Now, in pandemic, the government told us, the doctors told us, ज़्यादा बार-बार हाथ साबुन से मल के धोना है. Remember?
Yes.
8 महीना हो गया और हम लोग हाथ ज़्यादा धोते थे. Maids चला गया. There were no maids at home. तो बर्तन भी खुद साफ किया डिटर्जेंट से, कपड़े भी खुद साफ किया डिटर्जेंट से. डिटर्जेंट में भी SLS होता है. So all this burden coming on the body of ladies especially. So
Yes.
there was a lot of queries from ladies. हमारे बाल गिर रहे हैं, पहले इतना लंबा होते थे, अब इतने छोटे हो गए. छोटी इतनी मोटी होती थी, अब पतली हो गई है.
पतली हो गई
और
है.
बाल लंबे लंबे गिर रहे हैं. So I suppose this is the same complaint you may have encountered also.
Yes.
So this is what I say, not in a bad way, but yes, Corona has made us lose our hair because we have used a lot of soap.
सर एक मैसेज बहुत सारे लोग आपको जो ये वीडियो देखेंगे फॉर देम जो शायद हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कंसिडर कर रहे हैं बट दे आर स्कैर्ड वन एंड या जिनका कॉन्फिडेंस टूटा हुआ है बिल्कुल. आई हैव लिटरली सीन अ गाय हु वाज जस्ट नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड फॉर एन ईयर. हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के 3 महीने बाद उसका रोका हो गया. एंड वी जज एज अ सोसाइटी आई थिंक. सो अ मैसेज फॉर एवरीबॉडी सर.
Yes. See, I'll say a couple of things. Like, one, if you're losing hair, first take pictures, because as a doctor I will need to see कितना बाल गिरा, कितना duration में गिरा. Is it a
Right.
rapid progress of hair loss? Second, जैसे मैंने बोला, do not lose hope, but do not start popping medicines. Tablets are there, but they have serious side effects. Finasteride is a very commonly used tablet. I am not in favor of it. Side effects include permanent impotence, depression, suicidal tendencies. So my advice is, personally, I will not take it for myself. Rather go SLS free than taking harmful medicines. Secondly, if you have a family history, okay, someone in your family has father, grandfather, whatever, you see how much hair loss they have, because you get a rough idea, okay, this is my genetic composition, this is how much I may lose my hair. Then you
Right.
see whatever donor you have. Do you have a good beard? Do you have good hair on the chest? If you have, then don't take stress. If you lose those hair, if you lose your own hair, if you are destined to lose your own hair transplant can fill your head. Even though the beard hair will grow like beard on top of the head, but we'll mix them with scalp hair so that it does not look so discernible. Now the next thing comes, choose your hair transplant doctor wisely. Remember, I don't say come only to me. I alone will not be able to treat everyone.
Right.
There are so many lakhs and millions of people. But always choose your doctors wisely. Whenever in doubt, see the patients, meet the patients who have got it done. And पूछो उनसे, दर्द हुआ? Did it hurt you? Did it pain you? See their results, see their before pictures. Meet random patients, not some pre-selected cherry-picked patients only, right? Then after that, if you still feel, okay, मेरा body में कैसा होगा? Then I always tell them कि पहले चाहे थोड़े से हिस्से में करा के देखो. हमने हजारों बाल नहीं लगाना एक साथ. If a patient is apprehensive, we'll put 100, 200 hair, we'll transplant them. See for yourself when they grow. A good hair transplant is one which is indiscernible to the eye. मतलब आपने
Right.
ट्रांसप्लांट कराया, देखने पे भी कोई विश्वास नहीं करे कि ट्रांसप्लांट है. आपके दोस्त बोले पक्का आप बेवकूफ बना रहे हो, कोई दवाई खा रहे हो, ये ऑपरेशन थोड़ी है, तो बाल उग रहे हैं सुंदर सा. So that is a perfect hair transplant. That is possible. Just do not rush in for a hair transplant blindly, because like you also said, सबसे आगे होता है, दिखाना छुपाना पॉसिबल नहीं होता अगर गलत हो जाए. So
Right.
these are two of my advice. The third advice is for all ladies also. Please, there is something called moringa tea, not green tea. Moringa tea लीजिए. What is moringa? It is a plant which grows native in India. Americans, Europeans are taking capsules of this plant to maintain their skin health and everything. Moringa is the same thing. Drumstick होता है, सैजन का पेड़ होता है, जिससे drumstick आता है, जिससे सांबर बनता है. Google this thing. The leaves of this plant can be obtained. उसको dry कीजिए, उसको पानी में काढ़ा डाल के उस बनाइए या चाय बनाइए उसका. Have it twice a day. It will supply with you all the nutrients and vitamins which we require. It has 7 times by weight. It has 7 times the amount of vitamin C that orange has. So you can just get idea of how much it is, and you just have to. Your treatment will consist of what? Just 2 cups of tea, but of moringa tea. That you will see within 2 months of these things, there will be a vast improvement in your hair.
Wow.
And you won't be buying anything from me.
No, I have a full prescription ready for myself. I will share it with my friends and I will charge them money. That I spoke to Dr. Arvind Poshwal from ACE Clinic and I got my prescription. So I am going to get my moringa tea. But before I let you go, sir, कोई moment है जो आपका बड़ा खास या यादगार है? You know, you have these emotional stories, people coming to you really sad and leaving really happy. वो कुछ stories रह जाती है ना, which are like really precious.
Yes. Stories बहुत है, मैं आपको सारी stories सुना के बोर नहीं करूँगा. But yes, I remember जैसे एक patient आया था and he was virtually crying. He said, "I'm poor, I cannot afford, लेकिन शादी नहीं हो रहा, कर दो please." And उसका hair transplant किया और ऐसे कहीं, and of course it changed his life. He got married to the person he wanted. मैं जब lecture देता हूँ, lecture देते हुए वो turning moment था मेरे लिए, जब मैंने एक conference में lecture किया. There were young girls sitting and I asked just this question. Okay, tell me, if given a choice, everything else is similar, whom will you marry, a bald person or a person with hair? And before I finished my sentence, जब मैंने bald person बोला तो लड़कियों के सर ऐसे हिल रहे थे. So it is truly a sad state of affair. One should not be like that, but that is what the present world is like.
Totally.
So इसमें एक सबसे अजीबोगरीब चीज मेरे साथ हुआ था when in 2005 a bodybuilder came to me from UK and he was bald and by fluke he said, "I have lasered off all my body hair and I don't have hair to transplant on my head." He was my first patient who said, "Okay, take hair from my beard and transplant it on top of my head." We did 100 hair grafts, only 100 hair. And that person was a showcase for all forum discussions. People were looking from around the world to see how it is growing, how it is healing. Is there going to be any scars in this place or not? And that was a turning moment for hair transplant because उससे पहले सर से कितना ले सकते, इतने से जगह से हम कितना बाल ले लेंगे, उसका 4 गुना ज्यादा एरिया तो नहीं कवर कर सकते. But with this they had put your hand here and see it covers the entire. There are people who come to me, पूरा दाढ़ी ले लो, हमें नहीं जरूरत,
लेकिन यहाँ बाल दे दो,
यहाँ बाल दे दो. So that really changed the thing. People they got a new hope कि ये भी possible है, पहले generation में था ही नहीं ये. So people should be very happy कि now it is available to them. अगर कोई भी doubt हो, थोड़ा सा करा के देख लो. See for yourself and go for more.
No, like थोड़ा सा करा के देखो और मुझे लगता है लाइफ में जब थक जाओ तो you should actually go for treatments and like you said अपनी research करके पूरा पढ़ के फिर जाएं. Thank you sir बात करने के लिए. It is one of my most amazing conversations because it's a domain I had no clue about and I have seen struggles of people who are losing hair. तो मुझे लगता है it all actually kind of comes together. So thank you so much, sir, talking to us. आपने हमसे बात की इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू एंड आई होप जो मैंने बोला वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों के पास पहुंचेगा ही आपके प्रोग्राम के तहत, एंड दे कम टू नो द ट्रुथ एंड दे रिमेन कीप देमसेल्फ सेफ. हाथ धोना नहीं बंद करना, हाथ धोना नहीं बंद करना पेंडेमिक में, नहीं तो मुझे बोलेंगे मैंने कोरोना फैला दिया. साबुन बदलना है बस.
Thank you for talking to us, sir. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.